Hello friends, welcome to our channel E Academy. Words make you think. In this initiative, Wiz at Words, we have chosen a set of important words from A to Z, helpful for your competitive exams, for the wizards of spell bee, for the people or students who struggle to grab words while writing, and of course, for cracking the difficult words in a comprehension passage. To make it more interesting, we will see the usage of the words in a sentence first, and you have to guess the meanings. Now, at the end of the list, you will get the definite answer of your guesses. So, without delay, let's start. Here we go with our first word. Our first word is accord. Now, you can see the two sentences, and in both the sentences, we have used the word accord. Now, you have to guess the meaning. So, the usage of the word is given, and from that, you have to guess the meaning. See the first sentence. There is an accord among the neighbors over this short-term problem. The contestants should all be accorded equal respect. Can you guess the meaning? Okay, you think on it. We'll see at the end. Our next word is altruism. As you can see, the word has been used in the sentence. My uncle has made over his property to a charitable trust out of altruism. Here, made over means to transfer the property by law or legally. Now you have to guess the meaning of the word altruism. Okay, keep on thinking. We are coming back at the end slide. Friends, let's look at the word ambiguous. It has been used in this sentence like he has used ambiguous phrases in his writing. So, got the meaning? I think you have got the meaning. Okay, so let's proceed to the next slide. Our fourth word is acrimonious. There were acrimonious exchange of words between the two brothers. Now, acrimonious, is it used in a positive sense or is it used in a negative sense? You have to find out. Friends, here we go with the last word of the day, and it is adulterate. Those who adulterate this food item should be severely punished. Hope you have already gauged the meaning that it has been used regarding certain rules which are broken. You have to guess the exact meaning. Now it's time to judge your guesses whether they are correct or not. I know you have made the correct guesses. Yet, let us discuss the meanings in particular. You should pause your video and see the sentences we have taken as examples for the usage of the words. The first word in the list is accord. The meanings are agreement, pact, or grant someone recognition. We have taken two sentences for examples. First one is there is an accord among the neighbors over this short-term problem. You can understand that over here accord means the agreement or pact. So there was a pact or agreement among the neighbors for this short-term problem. And number two is that the contestants should all be accorded equal respect. Here it means grant someone recognition or the due respect. The contestants are given their due respect. Okay, so in this sense the word accord has been used. Now let's proceed to the second word. The second word in the list is altruism. The example is, my uncle has made over his property to a charitable trust out of altruism. From the reference of charitable trust, you can easily decipher that altruism must be related to the selfless concern, and that's the meaning of the word altruism. So altruism means the selfless concern. So my uncle has made over. Made over means given or donated by law the property to the charitable trust out of his selfless concern, that is altruism. The next word is ambiguous. The very word ambiguous gives you a sense that something is doubtful, not clear, and that's the exact meaning of the word. It means doubtful, equivocal. So in the sentence, he has used ambiguous phrases. It means that he has used some doubtful phrases or the phrases which are not clear. The next word is acrimonious. Acrimonious means something which is bitter. So when we are saying that the two brothers exchanged the acrimonious words, there were acrimonious exchange of words, so we mean that they were in fight, they were quarreling, so they exchanged those bitter words. And the last word in our list is adulterate. Adulterate, as you can guess rightly the meaning from these references, that food item, then punishment, you can easily guess that adulterate must be something wrong. Okay, and over here it means the degrade or made impure. So those who are making the food item adulterated should be punished. So those who are making the food item degraded or making it impure, they should be punished. So like that, you have to understand or decipher the meanings of the words through the examples, through the references. Okay, the other words which have been used in the sentence, from those words you have to gauge the meaning, and we are here to help you in decipher the meaning in a better way. Okay, so stay tuned with us. We will be back with another list of words, and again we will try to understand the meanings. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe, and of course make your valuable comments so that we can make it more improved one. Thank you.